Today we learn about working of thyristor on AC supply. So take one thyristor, AC supply. So this is not AC. So this one is AC supply. Load resistor RL, voltmeter, ammeter. Now join all the components. Set the parameters 230 volt and years. This one is input supply and this is output. Load resistance is equal to 12 ohm. Voltage across thyristor is equal to VTH and current is equal to I1. Now gate pulse is given to SCR. Set this one is equal to years. This simulation control for the 0.08 time. So this one is for input supply voltage. This is 230 plus and 230 minus. Output voltage. SCR conduct when anode is positive and cathode is negative and gate pulse is given to it. So only positive half cycle it will be conduct, negative half cycle it will be not conduct. Thyristor voltage across thyristor. When SCR conduct, voltage across it is less than 1 voltage. So this is conduction period. So voltage almost so 0 and this is not non-conducting period. This one is again conducting and this one is non-conducting. I1 is current passing through it. So when SCR conduct, current flow through it. Does not conduct, current 0. Here voltage across SCR is equal to 0.8 voltage. Now again simulate. So this is 0.8 voltage or less than 1 voltage. Now we will see it. Look at this one. Input voltage is equal to 2.23 e raised to 2. So 2.23 e plus 002 means 10 raised to 2 means 2.23 into 10 raised to 2, 223 voltage. Output voltage is equal to 2.22 into 10 raised to 2 means 222 voltage. Voltage across thyristor VTH is equal to 8.0 into 10 raised to minus 1 means 0.8 voltage and current is equal to 1.857 into 10 raised to 1 means 18.157. So this is working of SCR on AC supply. SCR conduct only during positive half cycle, and during conduction barrier voltage across SCR almost less than 1 voltage, or it's depend upon the SCR power rating, and current passing through SCR only when SCR conduct. When SCR does not conduct, current becomes almost 0.